Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my new cooking video. In this video I'll be showing you how to prepare caramel Trilece pastry. It's one of my favorite milk desserts. This recipe will be enough for 50 people. This is my hotel's pastry section. Pastry chef Ibrahim is preparing this dessert for us. Thanks to Ibrahim for sharing his caramel Trilece dessert with us. The materials required: dough mixer with wire whisk, 30 eggs, 15 grams of baking powder, 75 grams of pastry additive ovaleks, 150 grams of water, 600 grams of sugar, 1 kilogram of flour, 4 liters of milk, 1 liter of sweet cream, 500 grams of sugar, 1 kilogram of whipped cream powder, and 1 liter of water. Water will be added to the whipped cream powder to become whipped cream. 100 grams of caramel and water will be used in the concentrate to add to the dessert. First thing, preheat the oven at 180 degrees. The dessert will be cooked for 35 minutes. First part that will be made is the dough. Add 30 eggs to the mixing bowl. Add 150 grams of cold water. Add 600 grams of sugar and additive ovaleks. Add 1 kilogram of sifted wheat flour and baking powder. The dough will be mixed for 2 minutes. You can help people by showing them this recipe, and you can help me by liking and sharing this video. Thank you all. Stir the dough till it reaches the consistency of a foam. Add baking paper to a baking tray.
The gates? Direkt şöyle yapabilirim ha. Yapalım.
Add the dough to the baking tray.
Yavaş yavaş. Müşteri seni izliyor.
Here we will be adding the mixture to a small and a big tray. When the dessert is ready, it will be enough for 100 people when it is cut into small pieces. Bake it for 35 minutes and then remove from the oven and cool it. Remove it from the tray and smooth out the edges with a long knife. Remove the baking sheet and return it back into the tray. In a pot, add 4 liters of milk, 1 liter of sugar cream, and add 500 grams of sugar and simmer it. And add the mixture on top of the cakes. Add 3 liters of cold water and 3 kilograms of whipped cream powder. Mix for 5 minutes on high speed. Add the whipping cream in the refrigerator till it has a consistency of stiff peaks. After it has cooled down, add it on top of the cake and form it equally with a spatula. So that it isn't too thick. Next part is caramel. As you see, we are using ready-made caramel, but you can do your own caramel at home by combining sugar, butter, and cream together. Add water to thin the caramel concentrate and add it on top and form it with a spatula. You can decorate it with a lot of ways, but one of them is to add lines of cream and with a wooden skewer create a marbling pattern. And now finally is the dessert ready to be served. Decorate when served or just simply serve alone. Take a look at the texture of the dessert at the end of the video. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for everyone who watched my videos, shared them, liked them, and supported me. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.